Jato. Hoop, 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 hoop. Hey, but you guys are looking really, really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
thank you.
I said Dubai not gym be sir. Abrochebe fatamu sir. But how are you doing? I mean, after last season, the buzz, the hype, you guys were like all over the place. Yeah. Everybody was talking about you, and honestly, I think it's one of the awards that a lot of people agree that you guys deserve the hands down. Yeah. How has the reception been, Jato?
It hasn't been easy because, I mean, there were people who didn't really want us to win.
Really?
Yes, I had a couple of people who were actually supporting the others. I saw them myself, okay? So at a point, I was like, come on, Charlie, we've won it. Let's just, we were the ones who won it, so we just have to stick to that than to focus on somebody else. Yeah. So that was the reception, you know, I was feeling great about it.
You're feeling great, and that's all that matters. Grace, what about you?
As you said, we had people who, I mean, in our face, will be acting like they were supporting us. But
that is amongst the contestants?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Our own friends, which is the Date Rush family. We had people who would laugh in our faces, and they'd be like, oh, yes, we are supporting you, we know you win. But then, behind closed doors, we knew, said the story was different.
Who could Dubai? Of course, some little, you know, wow, sure. But let's talk about going to Dubai. The entire trip, I mean, moving from Ghana, going there to just have fun. How was it, the experience? So, we've seen it on TV, but we want to hear it ourselves.
Yeah, so truth be told, initially we had our differences. So
that was between you and Grace?
Yes. Okay. So I was a bit nervous because I didn't know how I was going to relate with her. Okay, until we got to, I mean, the airport, where we had one or two vibes, but I wasn't so much sure that things were going to work. But then when we got to the place, I mean, Charlie, the vibe really did. I was surprised.
Okay, so as in when you guys were moving from here, you were not that cool?
Yes, yes.
What happened?
I mean, it's one of those things that happen in relationship. Misconception and then disagreement, you know, one of those things. But I don't really want to, I mean, focus on those things because I know it wouldn't take me anywhere. So the best is to actually reconcile, you get it? So I felt Dubai actually made us come together, you know, even not as a partner, but then as cool people.
Wait. Not as a partner, but as cool people.
Yeah, cool people can vibe. No, cool people can vibe, and later, you know, that kind of vibe. Not like just cool people and we hang it there.
Grace, a little bird whispered into Masuea Imuya Midewe said, when you guys went to Dubai, you were in the same room. I mean, you lodged in the same room, the same hotel. So, where did all of that come from? You don't really produce, though.
With the award, it's supposed to be a couple. It's supposed to be a couple treat, so there was no way we were going to be in separate rooms. But then, I was expecting that we could have separate beds since we are not married. I was expecting us to have double beds, but then when we got to Dubai, that wasn't the case. It was just a bed. So, I mean, yeah, we were cool. I mean, as friends.
You people should stop it. But being in the same room and then, obviously, it will build something up. Yeah. Did that change anything amongst you two?
You know, initially, she was like, when we go to Dubai, you are going to sleep on the couch. I'll sleep on the bed. She said she will sleep on the bed. So in my mind, I was like, who goes to Dubai? Charlie, this is my first time. I've had the opportunity to come to Dubai. I wanted to sleep on the couch. And I was like, nah. So I was trying to figure a way to actually sleep on the same bed with her. And then finally, I had my way on the bed. Okay. So that was when the vibe started. I mean, she's actually scared of the elevator.
Oh.
So, yeah. So I mean,
you had to help her.
I had to help her. You know, when it comes to ironing, I do that. When we are going out, we go out together. You know, the vibe actually came naturally. So
it came naturally. Yeah. But you know that during last season, we saw a ring. But
she
wait. As I'm sitting here, I'm no longer seeing the ring. And I'm hearing a lot of, we're friends and da. Where is the ring first of all? Because my viewers are also wondering. Grace, where's the ring? What on ring, Nana?
No, I was the one who gave him a ring.
So where's the ring?
So the question is to
exactly. So where's the ring?
Hey, you know the ring. Yeah, let me tell you the truth. The ring wasn't fitting. You can ask her.
So what happened?
You know, no, she told me she would change it for me. So I'm still waiting.
So where is the ring?
Oh, the ring is there's no fitting when I put.
Someone told me that you said the ring fell when you went to the desert. I thought any. And so, Jato, you and Grace, you've gone through this entire process. You've been part of our last season, and we have a new season coming up. Obviously, you have the experience. You know how it's like. What do you have to tell our new crop of contestants from your experience?
I would say they should be the best of themselves. And also, you know, when they find love and then things don't work out, I don't expect them to come and see, I mean, their personal life, like whatever happened on stage, like it's not really necessary. And then it doesn't mean they should both, you know, not be together anymore. They can actually find friendship in what they're doing. So you shouldn't let the show actually lie you. Like, you know, sometimes when you're on a show and things don't go well, you come and fight and that is it. Yeah. No, it shouldn't work that way. So this is the best advice I'm giving to you guys. Yeah.
From the horse's own mouth, and now to you, Grace.
Okay, so the little advice I would like to give to the new contestants coming on Date Rush is that first things first, be yourself. Be yourself. Don't pretend like you're someone else. Don't talk the way you know you don't talk naturally or normally. You know, don't go and buy stuff, clothes, shoes, bags to come and please people.
Did you experience that?
I mean, we had people doing that.
Oh.
You know. And then in the end, they incur a lot of debt. You don't want that, so just be yourself.
This table you are shaking in.
This table
has one leg remaining. But what are you expecting as well? Because from the trailer, you can see that it's going to be very, very hot. But what are you expecting? You guys haven't seen anything yet, but what are your expectations?
No, but the way they see the fine girls for the trailer, hey, big nyash and some things we Charlie. Now for come again.
Hey!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Jato. So you're looking forward to that, eh?
Yes, I know it will be a great show because I mean, it's an advanced show. Definitely, we should see advanced things. Yeah. So.
You see how Grace has kept quiet. Grace, what are you also expecting?
Okay, so I'm expecting that the contestants coming, I hope, say, their main purpose for being on the show is to find love and not to come and look for a place to, you know,
just have fun,
and then want fame, or they want a platform that would help them, you know, establish their own businesses and all of that. The main purpose of the show is to come and find love. So please, if you know it's not love you're looking for, I mean, don't come and waste someone's time. Because imagine someone is coming to find love and you are coming on the show to look for fame. You would meet the person because immediately you see the person has the looks and the personalities you want in a partner. You would choose them and in the end, you waste their time. Meaning, say, they themselves, their purpose for being on the show, they couldn't accomplish because of you, your selfish gain. So please, if you know it's not because of love, at least make sure you find someone who is not also on the show to look for love. And then, I mean, you guys can just do what you want to do.
If you had the chance, will you change anything between you two? That's what I mean.
No, I mean, what I would like both of us to do is to actually reconcile and then, you know, forget about whatever that happened. I mean, just because I really believe in partnership. I think that's how we both won the couple of the years, teamwork and partnership. I really believe in that. So, and then not to hold grudges, you know.
Why are you two holding grudges?
No, you see.
You are not.
Are we?
Grace, look into his eyes. I mean,
are we?
But I mean, you know, on this platform, it's all about love.
Yeah,
it's all about sharing that love we have right here on this platform. And so you two, I want you to do a little exercise when you hug each other. I mean, enough of the, you know what I'm talking about. Just, ooh, remember the sifom kakra. Not so in kakra, no sifom. Ne chane hag bia, ebe taking all throughout 2022. What else? Exactly. So Grace, that is how it's supposed to be. Oh. You can give her a peg.
A peg?
Yes.
No, she's makeup.
No, still you have to. You have to. No, you have to. Just light one.
Okay.
Yeah. She actually wants it. What's the word? So this is the launch of Date Rush Season 6. Sometimes I have to push them to do it. You know,
you know, so we don't really understand.
Fine boy, kakra, fine girl, kakra. I say, you know what I'm talking about. And so